Hi everyone, this is your Friday morning weather update, which means it is time for the weekend. And you know what? You're probably going to want to do a lot more dancing than just that because you got to offset the vibes that the weather is giving us heading into this weekend. Some pretty rough weather. We have heavy rain in New York City that will cause likely some areas of flooding that also extends into central and south New Jersey, and then in upstate New York and areas north of Syracuse, and even out toward Rochester, some accumulating snow for later tonight and tomorrow. So let's get right to it. Actually, although it is a cold start, we do have some sunshine this morning in the New York metro. Temperatures did start off just below freezing. We'll get into the 40s this afternoon as clouds increase ahead of that area of low pressure, and then it will be mainly cloudy. It's going to be dry for a good part of the evening. The rain develops after midnight, and then that rain will be falling on Saturday. And the way it looks, we could see an excess of 2 inches of rain for much of the New York City metro area on Saturday. It's going to be a soggy day. Today, that moisture is coming in from the west. And you clearly have a front right about where my arm is, right? Because south of that front, you got near 60 in Columbus, and then you got 30s north. So we got a rain-snow mix in Buffalo that changes over to snow by this evening. Kind of the same deal, some late day showers transitioning over to just snow in Syracuse, but I think it'll be heavier snow north of Syracuse, and where it's a little bit colder, that snow is going to easily accumulate to several inches. Here's the weather map, and there is a lot going on. 2 areas of low pressure. Neither one of these are strong in particular. In fact, they're kind of weak areas of low pressure, but they have a tremendous amount of moisture available to them. So we have heavy rain where it's raining, and then we have heavy snow where it is snowing. And then we also have this area of low pressure in the south with pockets of heavy rain, and one of those pockets will be in South Florida. But back here in the Northeast, this is what the snow is looking like tonight heading into tomorrow. We have in the Rochester area a unique situation where you have a north wind that I think will enhance the snow with the cold air coming across Lake Ontario. So maybe 4 to 8 inches of snow there along the Niagara frontier there and over toward Rochester. And then 1 to 4 inches of snow in Syracuse. You go north of Syracuse, and we do have those winter storm watches in effect. I think we could see a quick climb from 8 or more inches of snow. And there have been some of our models suggesting that not just 1.5 feet, but more of that snow could accumulate on Saturday. So maybe over 18 inches. I think that would be the exception rather than the rule, but you get the idea. There's going to be a lot of snow in upstate New York on Saturday. Then you move down here to New York City, and in the New York metro, 2 to 2.5 inches of rain will fall on Saturday. So definitely ponding of water on the roadways. You're going to have these streams and creeks that are going to be running at or above bank full on Saturday. So we have those flood watches posted, and we'll see if any flood warnings are passed along. Of course, I will let you know with the Weather with Erick app. So if you don't have that downloaded, it is available for iPhone and for Android. Just search Weather with Erick. Here's our 7-day forecast. A couple lingering showers early Sunday morning, but I actually think the sun's going to come out later in the day. So that looks more ominous than what actually will play out. A dry start to next week, but it's not tremendously warm, right? We're still staying rather chilly in the foreseeable future. I told you. You got to dance more to offset those bad vibes. But that is your Friday morning weather update. I hope you all have a great weekend. Saturday, by the way, a good day to stay in. Either way, I will see you back here on Monday morning.